This 2021 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 343 BHTSLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 38 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 6, microwave, TV, water heater, skylight, awning, oven, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, mid-living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 343 BHTSLE is 8,620 pounds. This 2021 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 343 BHTSLE. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.